Hello everyone. So tomorrow on 29th of May at 2 p.m. we are going to have the session of All India Rank 7 Aayushi Bansal. So Aayushi had cleared this exam in her third attempt, but in the other two attempts also she was able to clear this exam. In her first attempt she got All India Rank 113 and in her second attempt she got All India Rank 97. And now you see she got All India Rank 7. Her optional was Sociology. So there's going to be a detailed optional strategy and the session will be taken up by Nishat sir along with Aayushi Bansal. And of course, she'll be telling you about her strategy that she followed during all her 3 attempts. So she'll be telling you about UPSC CSE 2026 strategy also. You can guess that her strategy would have been so clear that she was able to clear this exam thrice. So you all are invited offline and online for this session at 2 p.m. at LevelUp IAS on 29th of May. Thank you so much.